In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your signatures in Gmail. If you've been using a Gmail signature and it's no longer needed, removing it is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few tips to make sure the change sticks. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing into the account where the signature lives. Look to the top right corner of your inbox for the gear icon. This is the Settings button. Click it, and in the panel that opens, choose See All Settings. That will take you to the full settings page where you can adjust everything about your mailbox. By default, you'll land on the General tab, which is exactly where we need to be. Scroll down the page until you find the Signature section. This is where Gmail lists all the signatures you've created for this account. If you use multiple signatures, you'll see each of their names in a list on the left, and when you click one, its content appears on the right. To delete a signature, click the name of the one you want to remove so it's selected. Next to that name, you'll see a small trash can icon. Click the trash can to delete the signature. Gmail may ask you to confirm that you want to remove it. Go ahead and confirm. Keep in mind that deleting a signature removes it from your account, so it won't be available for new emails or replies going forward. There's one more important piece. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. This step makes the deletion permanent. If you navigate away without saving, Gmail will keep the signature and you'll have to repeat the process. If you have multiple signatures you want to remove, you can repeat the same process for each one. Select the signature, click the trash icon, confirm, and save at the bottom. Also remember that these settings apply to the specific Gmail account you're viewing. If you use more than one Google account, you'll need to perform the same steps in each account where a signature exists. A quick tip if you're on the fence about deleting, you can always leave a signature in place but stop using it by changing your default signature settings in this same section. However, if you're sure you no longer need it, deletion keeps things tidy. That's it. Open Settings, find your signature, click the trash icon, and save your changes. Simple, clean, and done.